Hi, this question is from IPMAT sample paper of IPM Rohtak 2020. So let's start. So this is from IPMAT sample paper 2020 IPM Rohtak. Question is from time, speed, and distance. What's the question? Train A takes 45 minutes more than train B to travel 450 kilometers. That means both of are traveling 450 kilometer only, but A takes 45 minutes more than B. Or I can say B takes 45 minutes less than A. Both are the same thing. So let me make a column of speed, time, and distance. So for A, I am assuming speed as A kilometer per hour, and time I am assuming 3 hours. Distance that A is covering 450 kilometers. Now when I talk about B, I am assuming speed of B as B kilometer per hour, and time. See, it says question says that train A takes 45 minutes more than B. So I can say that train B takes 45 minutes less than A. P minus 45. 45. If I want to convert 45 minutes into hours, I have to divide it by 60, which gives me 3 by 4 hours. So that means time of B will be T minus 3 by 4 hours. Distance is same for both of them. Due to the engine trouble, speed of train B falls by a quarter. So if anything reduces by quarter, becomes 3/4 of the original. If anything becomes reduces by quarter or falls by quarter, it means it becomes 3 by 4th of the original. So that means speed of B will become 3 by 4th of B. The new speed of B will be this. Okay? Due to which it takes 30 minutes more than train A. Since the speed of B has been reduced, it is taking 30 minutes more than train A to complete the same journey. Same journey is 450 kilometers. 30 minutes more means half an hour more than A. That means B plus 1 by 2 hours. Right? I hope this sort of table is understandable. Find the speed of train A. We need to find the speed of train A. So this is the very basic method that I'm using to solve this question. I'll be telling you one shortcut as well. So first of all, let's solve this by using basic method. We know that distance is speed into time. Yes, you know this. Now, since distance is same for both the older values of B and new values of B, I can equate these two. I can equate these two. So I can write B into distance is speed into time. Distance is speed into time. So B into T minus 3 by 4 equals to 3 by 4 B into P plus 1 by 2. So this will give me dt minus 3 by 4 B equals to 3 by 4 B P plus 3 by 8 B. So this will give me, by solving this, I'll get dt by 4 equals to 9 B by 8, which will ultimately give me B and B will get cancelled. Time will turn out to be 9 by 2 hours. Now, once I have got the time, I can easily find the value of A and B both. But what we are asked to find the speed of train A. We are asked to find the speed of train A. So we know that 450 is equals to A into T, speed into time is distance. So what can I do? I can divide, to find out the value of A, I can divide 450 by T. So what I will get, value of A will be 450 by 9 by 2, which gives me value of A as 100 kilometer per hour, which is option C. See, Option C. So this is the basic method that can be used to solve this question. What can be the other method to solve the same question? Let's see. I hope you have understood the basic method first of all, right? So let's go to the jugaad or shortcut. So if you are asked to create the question, what kind of values you generally use? You'll pick up the values which are very easy for calculation, right? So which is the most easiest value out of these four options to use? I suppose 100 seems to be the most easiest, right? So again, let me just write speed, time, and distance. Right? Distance is speed into time. So since these options are giving me the value of A, speed of train A, so I'm assuming C as the right answer. Let me write 100 kilometer per hour. Distance is 450 kilometer throughout the question. So what will be the time according to this? How much time A will take? A will take 4 hours and 30 minutes to cover this journey. How I have found out time? Distance upon speed. Now, in the question, it is given that in the first line, train A takes 45 minutes more than train B to cover 450 kilometers. That means train B will be taking 45 minutes less. If 45 minutes less is the time, it will become 3 hours and 45 minutes to cover 450 kilometers. Now, how to find speed of B? Speed of B can be find out like this: 450 by 3 hour 45 minutes. 3 hour 45 minutes can be written as 3 by 4 hours. So it is 15 by 4 hours. 15 by 4 hours will give me speed of B as 120 kilometer per hour. 120 kilometers per hour. Now, according to the question, speed of B is reduced by 1/4. 1/4 of 120 is 30 kilometer. That means speed of B is reduced by 30 kilometer, which gives me 120 minus 30, 90 kilometer per hour. Distance is still same, 450 kilometer. What will be the time taken by B now? New time taken by B will be 450 by 90, which is 5 hours. Now, the question says that just because the speed of B is reduced by 1/4, it is taking 30 minutes more than train A to complete the same journey. Now, let's see whether it is taking 30 minutes more than train A to cover the same journey. Yes. Train A takes 4 hours 30 minutes and new time of train B is 5 hours. There is a gap of 30 minutes. That means my C option is the correct option. Otherwise, this gap would have been different. If C option is would have not been the right option, this gap would not be 30 minutes. It would be some other number. Right? I hope you have understood how to use the option as well. There's absolutely no hurry to understand how to use options. It will gradually come with experience. Thank you.